to Your Waist with Susan Bowerman. Ibibigay sa atin ni Coach Liza Lasaw, the Groovy Lola. Ayan na po siya.
Groovy ka dyan. Anyway, thank you everyone. And speaking of topic, kung napapansin nyo po, lahat ng topic is about health no po, especially today na malapit na yung Christmas. Anyway, ayan, to start with, ito po si Coach Liza Lasaw, ano po, I'm 66 years old, turning 67 next couple of months from now. Ano po, ayan. And ayun po, because of the goodness ng product, which nagkaroon po ako ng body transformation, from 145 pounds, nag-125 po ako hanggang sa nag-107, which pumayat naman ako ng husto. Sabi ko sa Herbalife, you can really change your life, change your itsura and everything with the help of proper nutrition. So go back ako doon sa 120, which gusto ko ganun lang. Ano po? And because of that, ang health nun is yung shake aloe tea natin, no po? At saka yung mga tablets natin, mga other products such as Nightworks for my healthy aging, the garlic, the Herbalife line, the cell complex, the NRG na talagang tumutulong po sa akin bilang tumatanda o nagkakaedad. Ano po? Ang ganda-ganda niya. Yan. And because of that, nag-start po kasi ako sa Herbalife when I was still uh, working sa isang insurance company na sabi ko nga sa insurance company, masarap, masaya, ano po. And sabi ko din noon na maganda siya in terms of masaya ka, but yung saya mo pala, kung na-realize ko lang siguro earlier, but no, I have no regrets kasi ang saya-saya mo. But yung transformation ko comes from then yung sumali ako sa weight loss challenge na gumanda ako lalo, no po. Pero ang ayaw ko dun sa working nga, everyday masaya ka pero hindi ko na-realize yung bang more of ano po ako, call overseas, ganyan kung sino-sino kausap mo overseas. And na ano ko, napapagod ako. Wala kang yung sinasabing freedom of time. At yun ang nakita ko sa Herbalife. No po, na totally, nung mag-retire ako, masarap pala siya. Na po, iyo ang time mo, nakakatulong ka, na nakakapagbigay ka ng advice anytime, anywhere, kahit saan, kahit sino po, ano po, yan. Ayun pa, ano pa ang naibigay sa akin ng Herbalife, the chance to help my siblings. Walang iyak. Tama na yung topic na yan. Ano ba? Ayan. At yung eto, yung nearing natin na spectacular, yung kung hindi pa nakakapag-register, register po kayo talaga napakaraming learning sa ating spectacular and extravaganza in one. Next year po, January and May, respectively. Po, ayan. So much for myself. Let's go po to our topic, the enjoy holidays without adding inches to your weight. Ayan. Kasi po, sabi nga, holiday weight gains doesn't have to be normal. Ano po, hindi dapat nagiging normal yan. Kasi nga, hindi naman tamang como holiday itataba tayo. No? So here's how to avoid overeating during the holiday. Kasi it is a commonplace for many. That when faced with a season of once a year holiday foods, it is easy to overindulge, no? Napapakain tayo and accept putting on a few extra pounds as normal part of this time of year, which is, sabi natin mga Herbalife, hindi normal yon. Kahit kumakain ka, you should not gain weight. Ano po? Do you go into the holidays with the expectation that you'll gain weight? And this expectation will likely affect your behavior and thus your chance of neglecting. Ano po? Pag nakakalimutan niya ng weight management goals, if you're convinced that holiday weight gain is inevitable or may katiyakang mangyayari, you're probably not going to do much to prevent it. Why? It's so easy to gain no, over holidays. Kasi po, you can probably name some triggers na po, yung mga nagiging ano natin, yun yung nagiging dahilan, overeating natin. Maybe you eat too much when you're stressed, or use weekend as an excuse to eat cheat meals, no? If you only have one or two food triggers, no po, you can probably manage pretty well most of the year. Kumbaga, huwag mo na intindihin yung iba. Alam mo namang hindi siya healthy. Kung alisin mo na yung isip mo pagkain ng iba, no po. But when the holidays arrive, it's not just one or two triggers anymore, no po. Here are some common holiday overeating triggers, and you'll notice how every one of them seems to be coming at you from all sides during this time. It goes on for weeks and months. Actually, umaabot pa yan ng January. Ano po? It's amazing we don't gain even more weight than we often do during the holidays. Ito po yung sikreto. Ano po? Doing Herbalife for health natin. And in the next few slides, we'll be discussing some triggers na dapat bantayan. Ano po, dapat nating bantayan so as not to gain weight and enjoy the holidays at the same time. Alright, now sa next slide po, ayan, ang sabi, 8 reasons why we overeat during holidays. Number one is longer meals, tapos eating with other people. And holiday meals tend to be more leisurely. Kasi masarap magkwentuhan habang kumakain. Ano po? And you never notice na nagtatagal tayo sa mesa and eating more at the same time. The longer you sit at the table, however, the more likely you tend to overeat. Ano po? You're bound to grab that extra spoonful or potatoes, the second slice of pie and second slice of pie. So, to signal to yourself that your meal is over, try taking your plate into the kitchen. Ano po, dalhin na natin, kahit gusto mo pa, dalhin na natin. O kaya mag-pop tayo ng breath mint on your mouth, tuloy pa rin ang kwentuhan. At least nasa safe zone ka na by yourself. Ano po, yan, take note po nan. Next time, next slide po natin, ito naman, drinking alcohol. A drink or two can loosen your inhibitions or the feeling na, naku, dito ko dapat gawin to, which often bring on the head. It's the holiday attitude. Ganun, po. Kasi napapasarap ka, dito mo napapansin na napaparami ka na pala, especially with friends and family, on a reunion or get-together affair, especially on holidays. And sabi nga, your best defense here would be setting limit of how many drinks mo po, kung gaano mo lang kakainin. Stick to it while also alternating alcohol drinks with calorie-free beverage like a mixture of our apple chamomile tea and aloe. Ayan po yan sa picture. No, magbaon kayo ng ganyan. Sabi mo, sandali gusto ko lang may ibang nalalasahan. Take that, no? So, ano muna ako, stop muna ako sa pag-inom, ito muna iinumin ko. O, di ba? At least, nare-refrain ka doon sa inom ka ng inom. Okay? Ayan. So, next slide naman po natin. Ito, exposure naman to wide variety of food or kaya pressure from family and friends. Oh, no, okay. Having plenty of foods to taste and sample can lead to overeating. Katulad ng nasa picture, no? Ang dami po pwedeng kainin. Kasi kahit po sabihin mo marami, kasi this is because it takes longer for your taste buds to get bored. Sa dami ng variety mo, ano po, gusto mo tikman lahat, hindi mo napapansin, napaparami ka. And to handle this, you can either try to limit your choices, limit lang, ano po, or keep portions smaller if you're going for variety. Pag gusto mo mas marami, isang subo lang of its food para at least hindi ka naparami. Alam mo yung capacity ng tiyan mo and dapat mo lang kayo. Ay, ayan po. Next naman natin is, ayan, getting out of your usual routine or eating away from home. One reason daw po dito, people overeat on the weekend is because they are out of your usual routine like a meal plan. Ano po? Kasi dapat magkakaroon tayong meal plan. Kasi pag may meal plan ka, hindi ko dapat lumampas doon, lalampas ka man. At least dapat aware ka. Ano po? Kasi the holiday season can seem like a weekend that lasts for a month. But it's unlikely that you'll overindulge o mapapasobra in any one of your meals during this time. And the advice would be, try to stick to your usual eating routine with your meal plan in mind kahit nag-cheat and make a commitment to stay on track with exercise too. Ano po? Ayan po, mas style ng exercise. Maging mindful tayo and enjoy the holiday at the same time. Yan. And sa next slide po, meron tayo, ayan, mga tips on tips to help you break out of your usual eating habits. Ayan, meron po diyang eat regularly. Maganda po yan. I-screenshot niyo po itong slide na to. Maganda siya kasi meron siya eat breakfast, eat mindfully, plan your meals. Ayan, avoid salty foods, cut portion sizes, at as I've said, seek help. Ano po, hanap kayo ng friends to support para kumbaga mag-enroll ka sa isang sige, exercise tayo. Ayan, ganun, ano po. And then forgive yourself, no? Occasional setbacks are normal naman daw kasi. Now, ito naman po dito sa dulo. No, meron pa din tayong pagkain pang sobrang eaten na, no, yung higher in calories. Meron po tayo dapat pag-iisip na, kumbaga, yung nutritional well-being natin, merong mga tips such as vegetable, choosing vegetable, the kind of vegetables you eat, and then drink lots of water. Bago kayo po lumabas, siguro mas magandang uminom na ng marami para at least hindi na kayo mabusog ng pagkain. Ano po? And then, customize your meal. Choose yung resto na maganda yung serving ng gulay, ganyan. May gulay na masarap naman para at least hindi ka mauya or masuya sa kinakain mo. Okay, ayan. Next naman po natin yung stress. Number 5 is stress. Ano po? Kasi sabi holiday time is fun, but it can also be stressful. If stress is one of your overeating triggers, sabi niya, you'll want to find other ways to calm down. And then what to do? Try to carve some downtime for yourself so you're not overcommitted, and be sure to set time aside for the best stress buster of all, exercise. Okay? Rather than turning to food when you're stressed, have a cup of tea, call a friend, take a walk, or meditate for a few minutes ahead. Ayan, katulad nung nasa picture. Hala, tara, maglakad lang tayo para hindi tayo kumakain. Although after lakad, huwag kakain, kwentuhan na lang. Okay, ayan. So, susunod pong slide natin, the number 6 is family-style meals. Sa family-style meals naman po, when serving dishes are placed on the table as they often are holiday meals, overeating actually is encouraged, di ba po? Tapos, meron niyang tara po sa second helping or serving that will easily occur. Kasi tara, marami pa doon, ganyan-ganyan. So, after getting your first helping or serving, try passing your bowls and platters of tempting foods the opposite end. Ibigay nyo na yan para maiwasan mo, ibigay mo na. And to get them out of your line of sight. At sana maubos on its way back sa harap mo. Para at least wala ka na, ay wala na. At least hindi ka nakakain, right? Ayan, okay. So next naman po natin sa number 7. Ito, serving yourself from large containers, eating from a buffet. Ano po, research in behavioral psychology tells us that we serve ourselves more food from large containers than we do for smaller ones. Kung gustuin pa, minsan may maliit na at malaking plato. Kukunin mo yung malaki, di ba? Para daw isang kuhaan lang. But holiday platters are often gigantic, no? And food is piled up so high that even if you take an enormous serving, it hardly makes dent. So, mas maganda, maliit na platter, no? And ang advice natin, what to do is keep an image. Lagyan mo sa utak mo na portion sizes should eat, and do your best to stick to it. Para safety na sa tiyan mo, safety pa sa head. Okay, ayan. Next naman po natin, ayan, increased exposure to food naman daw po. Ever notice how during the holidays, there are food everywhere you go, right? And from goodies in your kitchen to gift basket arriving unexpectedly at your door, mga balikbayan boxes na yan na puro food din, you're exposed to more temptation at this time of the year than any other time. And while it's hard to limit your exposure to all of these treats, you can change the way you respond when you see them, okay? Rather than letting your impulse get the best of you, stop and ask yourself, did I plan to eat this? No po? Kumbaga, tama bang kainin ko to? Yun ang matatanong mo. And if you didn't plan for it and didn't want it until you saw it, or wouldn't go out of your way to get it, you should probably limit your consumption. Hindi na maiwasan. Andiyan na, nilabas mo na. Nakita mo na lahat, ang sasarap. Limit mo yung kain natin. And to give us some ideas how to start our day before taking or eating other food, on the next slide is a healthy meal replacement idea that will help each and every one of us to change lifestyle for the better. Ayan po, no? Nakikita natin sa slide natin yung ating healthy breakfast, and to encourage us to changing our lifestyle for the best, not just better. Ayan, because our product works together to help you get started with your healthy eating habit. And sabi, live your best life, start now. And next slide, ayan, ito po yung mga product na makakatulong sa atin. Ano po, ayan, in addition to all those scenarios na sinabi ko kanina, possibilities that may increase your weight aside from aloe tea and shake, Ito po yung dalawang product, the Fiber Bond and Fiber Health. Nasabi nga yung Fiber Bond po natin helps you feel fuller longer and helps convert your stored fats to energy, no po. So yun, fiber helps to lower blood cholesterol and controls blood sugar level. Yan yung pinaka-sinasabi natin na fat blocker. Iinumin niyo po yan 30 minutes before eating para at least bago pa lang sila papasok, hinaharang na yung flat fats na kinakain natin. Ano po? And dito sa kabila, meron naman tayong fiber band para it is designed to assist in the removal naman ng mga pinagkakain natin. Tinulungan niyo si fiber band para lumabas yung sobrang kinain mo like kahapon, yung mga pinagkakain nyo kahapon na dapat laklak tayo ng fiber and verb. Okay, ang isa pang makakatulong sa atin, yung Simply Probiotic. Ayan, yun po makakatulong din sa atin. Ano po, para kumbaga yun siya natin ayusin naman. Yan, next slide po, at Miss China, ay Miss Nida, ayan, yan po yung Simply Probiotic, makakatulong po yan. Ibabalance ang good and bad bacteria in the gut. At ang maganda nga po dyan, kumbaga, yung mga kinain natin, natutulungan yan no, para hindi man sila magkagulo sa katawan natin kasi it's very good. Ayan. And so, ang sabi nga, we have this variety of product. Next slide po. Ayan, to choose from kung ano ba yung nakikita mong bagay sa'yo. Pero yung sa sinabi ko nga, fiber bond and fiber and herb, yun po ang dapat wala, hindi kayo mawawalan this Christmas, aside from the shake alone, hindi kayo mawawalan ng tatlong yun. Ano po, ng dalawang yun. Pati probiotics, ano po, yan. And ito yung mga variety, kung gusto nyo mamili, kung anong dapat ba. Tanong nyo po yung mga coaches nyo. Ano po, bakit? Kasi, ang sabi nga sa next slide po, makikita natin, sinabi kasi bakit hindi natin ito bibigyan ng pansin. Because we are the number one in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management and well-being, and active lifestyle nutrition. So, saan ka pa? Kahit kumain ka, basta alaga ka ng Herbalife, at least natututunan mo kung paanong i-portion ang mga food. And with that, thank you, thank you, thank you. Sana po may natutunan kayo na thing or two. Ano po? Thank you, thank you. Back to you, Coach Gina.
Yes, thank you din. Sobrang dami naming natutunan, daming tips. Ayan. So, pero yung mga tips na yon,